Hello, I'm going to show you guys today how to change the default app for certain file type extensions. So what I did, I downloaded just a dummy PDF file here. And I'm going to show you how to change so that any PDF file, and so any file with a PDF extension on it, will open with a certain app. So right now, by default, Preview opens PDF files on the Mac. Where we're going to try to do this, or we are going to set this so that Adobe Acrobat Reader will be the default PDF reader when you just double click on the file. Now, if you might know this already, but you can always right click or control click on the file and say open with, and like Adobe Acrobat Reader or whatever you want to do. So you don't have to set it as the default. You can always right click and go to it each time, but some people want Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default one, so there's less steps to opening a file. So what we'll do here is right click on it, or hold down the control key and click on it, and you'll go to where you see get info. Now another way to get info on it is while the file is highlighted, you can hold down the command key and hit the letter I, and that will also open get info on this file. Now you'll see this here type window. Expand down where it says open with, hit that little arrow to the left. There you can set it to Adobe Acrobat Reader instead of Preview there. So click that. And then this will only change it for this one particular file. You want to hit change all. That will change all .pdf extension files to open with by default Adobe Acrobat Reader. So we're going to do change all. This will tell you what it's going to do here. Say continue. Okay, so we just did it. Now you can close that get info window. Now if we double click this now, it's going to open here with Adobe Acrobat Reader. So it opened fine. We're going to get rid of this. You can do the same thing with about any file type. The only thing that is different, and I am covering this in another video on YouTube, is browsers. That's all done in system settings, or used to be called system preferences, but I have a video covering that. So any web type file, I would do that a different way and not do it this way. Now you could do it, you could do all HTML or whatever type files this certain way, but you've kind of got different file types associated. Like there's different things besides HTML files that are web-based files. So it's good to do it through system settings for those. But let me know if you have any questions. This is really handy for pictures, PNGs, JPEGs, stuff like that. If you've got like a custom editor for pictures, this is pretty helpful for that type stuff mostly. PDFs too. A lot of places like you to use Adobe Acrobat Reader instead of Preview because it's not fully compatible. So yeah, thanks for watching today, and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel for more of these.